All right. I think I fixed it. This is the second time I'm doing this because before nobody could hear my stream or could hear me at all. Oof, let me get rid of this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. All right, people. Let's try this again. Let me make sure I can hear myself on the actual live stream. Un momento, por favor. Refresh. All right. Let's see. Turn myself up. Let's see. Yep, I can hear myself. Cool. All right. Let me share a screen. Get my trading pulled up. All right, people. We're in. Cool. All right. And I see somebody join, which is cool. I'm just getting all set up here because this is a second trial and error. So we'll see how this goes. All right. Want to get background music going. There we go. Screen. There we go. All right, folks. If you're in this right now, let me know in the chat for me. I don't think I have it set for subscribers only. That's something I had to kind of find out before. But hey, we're in, so let me know in the chat if you guys can hear me okay. Make sure you can. Hopefully. Alright, I just want to turn up my volume, make sure I'm good still. Yep, cool. Hopefully that music's not too bad. Alright. I don't know, does it seem kind of... I gotta listen through my phone. That's not too bad. I don't think. I don't know. You guys decide if it's okay or not. Let me see. Can I copy link? There we go. All right. All right. There we go. All right, 15 minutes. We're in gold. Kind of having a breakthrough here, but see what S&P is doing. There we go. Go back over here. All right, cool. I think we're good. I think we're set up now. Yeah, I can even hear myself. All right, cool. Sounds good. Hey, there's Brazil. There's Mark. Hey, let me. There we go. Adjust my seat just a tad, a little bit. What's up, guys? How are y'all doing? Right now, I'm seeing it shows 4 people are in here right now, which I only know of 3 that I was talking to about doing this for or doing this with. So. What's up, Mark? What's up, Brazil? Actually, funny, Mark is in Brazil right now, and then you got Brazil in the chat. So it's like a theme going on right there. But cool. How you guys doing? You guys doing all right? Can you guys? Oh, and you're going to Brazil. Well, we just all need to go to Brazil now because everybody's going but me. Dang, that's sick. To visit people or just to visit the country? Mark, it's like we all just need to take a trip to Brazil. That'd be actually kind of sick, to be honest. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this. Oh, nice. Cool. That's super cool. Alright, well. By the way, guys, does the background music sound kind of like glitchy at all? Or does it sound like it's kind of like pixelated at all or anything? Let me know. Because, like I said, this is first live stream. Well, technically my second, but first live stream recorded that I might keep. Just a little loud? Okay, let me fix that. Thank you for telling me. Ta-da. Honestly, you know what's funny? That's the lowest it'll go. Otherwise, it goes silent. Like I'm one button away, one click away. But you can still hear me okay, though, right? Even though it's playing in the background. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. As long as you can hear me okay, I'm okay with it. This is my live stream. So, if it's okay to play it a little bit, at least it's you hear it. That's all that matters, and it sounds okay. But I like to, just kind of vibe, so that's my thing. So now that I can play background music, it'll be kind of cool. There's no dead sound or anything. It's not, or whatever. So, all right. Let's take a look and let's see what's happening. Brazil, did you catch any moves today? By any chance? Me and Mark actually were like, we were like messaging each other like, it's still going, it's still doing good. Like, we were just watching Gold make this move. And I could just picture myself being on like a trading floor or something. And like in the New York Stock Exchange or something. And I'm just like screaming, like, come on, keep going, keep pumping. And it was really cool, actually. So I know Mark, what he caught today. But I don't know if you caught anything today, though. Let's see. Oh, actually, you know what I want to do? Nope. Nothing. Nada. Fair enough. Fair enough. All right. I'm just going to take a look at these real quick. And see what kind of trouble or damage I can do today. Just kidding, but would be so cool. What, you talking about the trading floor thing kind of thinking? Whatever. Did look at the 1 hour. That's what you're talking about. Yeah, that would be kind of cool. When I was a kid, I actually dreamed about working as a New York stockbroker. So now I'm just a futures broker. So you can make you can make a plan, I guess, and then it's like, yeah, see how that worked out, and still kind of doing it, but I'm doing it on my own now, which is super cool. All right, so 15-minute here. All right, not too bad. It is kind of being a little slow right now, but that's okay. Like I said, this is to see how. Ultimately, this whole point of this live stream today is for me to finally just do one because I've been talking about it, and because also I just want to, like, if anything, I want to get the kinks out, kind of thinking. So I may do this for an hour or so. What are you expecting from the next few weeks? Are you talking about trading wise, or what are you referring to? curious though. What is? Ooh, I need to fix some of this. Boom. You know, it's funny. This is where Brazil. I know you typically do like a thing where you typically like send a message or something like that to everybody. And me, I'm just like, you know what? Whoever shows up, it's all good for me. You know. I almost feel like I can draw some new stuff. Yeah, wait a minute. Let's see. One, two, three. Okay, I like that. And let me adjust this. Consolidation there, because I'm seeing this here, and I want to get the top right there. And I like that too, because you have consolidation back here. Seeing points there. Okay, I like that. But that's good for now. Silver. Let's take a look at that. I'm just going to go through, honestly, everything on my charts and just update it all and just see what they kind of look like. Let's see real quick. What are you expecting for the next few weeks? I would not be surprised if both gold and silver, like if gold hits 100 and if gold hits 5,000. I would not be surprised at all. It's literally almost there. It wasn't even that long ago that it hit 4,000. When was that actually? It finally hit 4,000. Let's see. Oh, so it's been at 4,000. Okay, here we go. 4,000 right about here. Just when it hit. And when was that? That was in October. November, December, January. And just in 3 months, almost 4. It's literally almost up to 5,000. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I would not be surprised at all because they have just been both ripping through and just taking off, going up. So I can just imagine it happening. But what's interesting to me though is that the S&P, like ES, MYM, NQ, I mean, heck, for a minute there, those were ripping as well. You know, so it's like, well, actually, it's a lot of consolidation right here. But if I zoom out to the larger time frames, those were also going up like crazy. So it's interesting because I'm so used to seeing it be like the opposite or flipped. Because typically people, what I see or what I think happens is people invest in the metals when the market's not doing good. And when the market's not doing good, people don't rely on metals as much. So seeing it all go up is very interesting to see, in my personal opinion. Let's see here, though. Ooh. Gold is making a push. Still. Alright, actually, I'm going to set an alarm right here, just in case it touches it, because I'm curious what it's going to do. But let's go back. There's copper, silver. Actually, let me go back to silver. Silver be making some moves. Boom. Ooh, can I force that by any chance? Yes, I can. That looks good. All-time high. And get rid of that. This is 15 minutes. Okay, gold. Regular gold. I almost feel like I don't even need a draw for regular gold anymore, just because I'm in micro gold, which so I'm just gonna leave that. Platinum, on the other hand, I don't know if Brazil, are you still here? You might have to have left. Dang, that is crazy what it's doing. Even platinum's going up like crazy. Man, that is such a if you ever wonder what a just like a perfect trend looks like, in my opinion, this is what it looks like right here. Just completely just following through. All right. Oops. Talk about platinum, yeah. Yeah, platinum be looking good. I'm gonna get rid of some of this. Actually, move that up, and let's move this. But there's all that consolidation right there. I don't know. Let me just see something real quick. That's good. I like that because you have this here, this there. Looking back. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, the bottom one is good as well, but what does it look like here? Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a good one, too. Okay. Nope. I'm leaving those there where those are at. Those are pretty good moves. I like that. So, double confirmation there. Key levels, trend lines, all set. Good to go. And let's see here. Need to get rid of a lot of this. Boom. Boom. Whoops. There we go. Cool. All right, that's all I can do with the Nasdaq, which has been making some crazy moves. Dang. I'm gonna get rid of all these just because I have MES up here, so it's literally practically the exact same. There we go. All right, MYM. Let's take a look. Where's Pedro at? Because he trades MYM. And let me message real quick. There we go. Pretty cool. All right, cool. Alrighty. Okay. Taking a look. Let's see here. I'm gonna put this there, and then let's see real quick. Okay. Sounds good. And I'm thinking, yeah, because that guy right there, yeah, that's looking good. I'm liking that. The only thing is I'm going to let it develop here a little bit more just so I can draw. I want to I wanted to kind of have like a new pivot point so that I can make that happen. Hey, there's Pedro. What's up, dude? Happy birthday to you. First and foremost. Got Pedro in the house. Birthday, man. You're very welcome. May you have an awesome, great, amazing birthday, because you definitely 1000% deserve it, and I hope you have the best day absolutely ever. Today, tomorrow, and every other single day. I just want every day to be the best day for you from now on. Even the next day, I want it to be better than it was the day before, every single day. Yeah, man. Good to see y'all here too, as well. Good to see you here, for sure. Much love. Nothing but love, seriously. We just doing some chart analysis, really. I am just kind of going through it all. Dang. Gold's kind of pushing, but we'll see what happens. Caught this move. Me and Mark caught this move actually this morning. Did you catch any moves today, Pedro, by any chance? I was looking at MYM a second ago, and I thought about you. And I was like, where's Pedro? Let me text him. Get in here, man. Get in here. You caught it too? Yeah. Dude, we all caught this today. And I was like, holy crap. And I did this on my live account. This is recorded. So just a disclaimer. I've been training prop firms for anybody who watches this live stream. You guys know. But disclaimer for anybody watching this recording, I've been training prop firms. I opened up a live account too, just because I wanted to do that as well now that I can fund a live account, because I've been training so much with prop firms. Yeah, exactly. Finally, right? Because I've been doing nothing but prop firms. And so been training my live account and caught this move here on the live this morning. And yeah, so it's so far it's going good, but just reflection here. I can't let it go to my head. I gotta stay consistent. I gotta stay determined, and I gotta just keep thinking straight. I can't let it go to my head. Just because I catch this move now doesn't necessarily mean I'll catch the move every single time, or the move's gonna always be like that. Just so I say that out loud, so that that's ingrained in my head. But yeah, but not the full move. Yeah, same. Actually, I got out right here at that key level, and it was so funny too, because as soon as I hit that key level, I saw it started going sideways a little bit, and I'm like, ooh, I'm actually glad. And you know what's crazy? You know where I caught it? Right here, because it was breaking through, coming down, coming back up. I missed the break right here, honestly, but I thought, you know what? Dang, I really wanted to kind of bounce here. I was like, ooh, all right, let me get into that. And then next thing you know, it just started climbing. And it was, man, I want to say, wait, actually, here, I can just do it here. Where did I get out? Did I get out right here? Yeah. Yeah, that's about right. 430 points onto that one. So, not bad at all. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's crazy how often that happens too. Like me, you, and Mark, all three of us took the exact same trade and got out at the exact same time. Now, whoever is still holding this, dude, just with one contract in this right now, they're up 1,000 or 1,200, over 1,200, and it's still climbing. So it's like, bruh, if people are still holding this, because my line of thinking was, you know, thinking of like holding it here. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. And just letting it run. But I didn't have this consolidation before. Or not consolidation. I didn't have these to go off of. So I was like, man, if it comes down on me like it did yesterday. But yeah, I didn't have this to go. So I was like, yeah, I'm okay. I needed to get ready for a meeting anyways. So I needed to get out of the trade. I was like, key level, just take it. Just hit it and take it. And I just got out. I will leave it open, but I wasn't happy if winning gets me. Yeah, I mean, you know what? There's no issue with grabbing a win on your birthday just to get it. You know, yeah. Finish the day green as well. So it's been good. I can already tell I'm starting to lose my voice. I'm talking so much, but that's okay. That's a good thing. Got to get used to it now, right? If I'm going to be doing these live streams. But dude, oh, gold is moving. All right, got the notification for that. See, the thing is, now let's talk business. See, Pedro, you're reading my mind a little bit because I'm like, dang, okay, it's hitting it, right? It's touching it for an all-time high break. It's just for me, man, especially and this is ironic too because of what I'm doing right now. I'm doing a live stream, potentially to take trades. However, I typically don't trade in the afternoon. Trading in the afternoon is also a little new for me as well. But for me, at least when it comes to my trading in the strategy, what's the risk on this right now if I were to get in? Ooh, risk is a little high actually. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, that risk is a little high, honestly. No, Asia moves really well in 1 hour. Ooh, okay. Now, remind me. Wait, isn't the Asian market already open? Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me see real quick. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna Google it real quick. What time? Oh my god. Hold on. Just got... Mark, I just got your text. That's so funny. That is awesome. That's actually really funny to see that. Dude. Yeah, you know what's funny too? My dad and my stepdad too, I would like have the charts open or whatever, and they would see that, they'd be like, what is that? And like, I trade, you know, is what I do now. And they were like, I've been wanting to get into that. And I was like, well, here, I'll show you what I do. And next thing you know, they're all, you know, they talk about this. Well, it's really cool to like, I don't know, if you have your laptop open and it's like a good conversation to have with other people too, who's been interested in it, but never knew like how to start. So, but Pedro, I see what you say. Yes, but it has a spike 2 hours after open. Okay. What? Let me see real quick. Major Asian stock market generally opens between 7 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay. Well, I got an hour. 1 a.m. my time. So 1 hour from now. Wait, Pedro, what time is it? What time is it where you're at right now? Brazil. You're in Brazil, but Mark, I know you have you are in Brazil, but you're going to London, so I know the time is kind of similar to mine. Oh, midnight, dang! It's 6 p.m. where I'm at. Oh, really? You're in London? I forget you're in London time as well, then. But you know what's crazy? With this right here, even though that is all-time high, I don't know. Since we have a market opening soon, you know what? I might just watch it just to see what happens and then kind of go over what I think could possibly happen or how I would take it. Dang. So I'm the one that's left out. Okay, I see how it is. That's okay. I'm in a better time zone anyways. I'm just kidding. But what's cool though? Which wait, hold on. If it's midnight, Pedro, why aren't you in bed? You're probably in bed watching this. Are you in bed watching this right now? I am. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Around, heck, I'm at a point now too where it's like 9 o'clock. I'll be out. I thought Europe was a different time zone until Pedro told me otherwise. That's funny. Ooh, Pedro, you notice anything with this? All-time high is kind of coming back a little bit. And that's what I'm wondering too when it comes to market open. It's like right before market open, like literally right before it starts acting where I think sometimes it's just like, what's it gonna do right before? Because sometimes what I've seen happen, actually, just like this. This was the market open, and then it came down. But before it wasn't really doing anything for me. But then right before the market did open, you see that little spike kind of going up a little bit. So I'm thinking to myself, well, okay, is that the move that's going to happen? Well, the market opening could do something totally different. And then I saw it going down. And I was like, oh, crap. And so with that being the case, I was thinking, man, maybe I'm going the wrong direction or something. But then I saw it kind of taking off right here. And I was like, you know what? That's even lower of a risk. Actually, this is how I had it. Get rid of that. Fix my lines here. Boom. So since it got closer to my stop loss here, I'm thinking, you know what? Let me take it. And then all of a sudden, it just decided to take off. And I'm like, well, that worked. Really wanted to check the candle in 1 hour. And if it moves up, I would love to enter the trade and go to sleep. Waking up to a 1K again would be delicious, right? Yeah, man, but then I just think like, you know, something like this happening. Or, God, what it did yesterday with that drop right there. You know what's crazy? I was in this move right here. Because I was in the, believe it or not, I was in the 5-minute time frame. And in the 5-minute time frame, whenever you look at it like this, add a little bit more of a move, and the safety was based on this point right here. So I started going for it, but then I had a take profit right there because it was the most recent higher point. Yeah, literally, right? So I was just like, let me just go for it. But in the 5 minutes, this isn't, I wouldn't even say this is scalping. Or maybe it is. I don't know. It kind of is. So I just took it right there. And dude, I am so glad I set it where I did, because literally as soon as it hit my take profit right here in this candle. And then when I got out, all of a sudden I go to use the restroom real quick, come back, and then I see this. Me and this candle was having a race to which can hit the ground quicker, my jaw or that, and it still won because it dropped so fast. Dude, that was, I wonder, I keep, that somehow, for some reason, that's kind of stuff would happen, but it's like, I don't want to say it because I don't want to jinx myself, but it's like, man, I'm lucky, and I don't want that, I don't need that to run out, you know what I mean? So, but man, that was pure luck. But honestly, though, I kind of liked doing that. I thought about honestly holding on to it. And the reason why, Pedro, you might like this, is because I was thinking, well, you know what? It's been doing this, you know, for so long. I'm like, it'll probably do it again. Well, it starts doing that. Yeah, that would kill me. It's like Uncle Mike when he had a $100,000 drawdown one time, and it was like, just another day. I was like, I wish. Well, that's the kind of thing I don't want, but nonetheless. Oh, 900K. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's crazy. Man. Well, geez, if he has hold on. I just thought of something. If he has a 900K drawdown and still no like margin call or anything, imagine the size the dude's account has to be that much in drawdown and still be okay. That's insane. That blows my ever-loving freaking mind. Well, 30 years, right? 30 years. Next thing you know. But I'd never want to be at 900k drawdown. That's insane. Whew, I wish. All right. Ooh, but I'm glad it's doing its thing. So we'll see what it does. But I feel like if I give it an hour, we'll see what the Asian market does to me. Hopefully nothing bad. Inventory was yeah, exactly. Yeah. But it's like, you know what? Yeah, same. And the thing is too, it's like the progress that I'm seeing. It's like as long as we just keep that consistency going, because consistency, if you have that consistency, profitability will follow. Is my philosophy behind that. So with that, it's just in due time, right? And just keep doing what you're doing. Like so far, with this account that I have now, I just opened it up last Friday, and you know where it's at right now is already good to where it's like, you know, I could actually technically I can have like 5 losing days in a row, which again, knock on wood, and I would just, if anything, be where I started. So, you know, that's not bad. But not every day has been a winning day either so far. So that's good as well. That I'm at that point where it's like if I have 5 losing days at my max risk that I'm willing to risk, and I'm, you know, I'd have to have 5 losing days in a row. That's good to me. You know, that gives me a little bit of buffer. But I don't expect myself to lose 5 days in a row. I don't expect it, but you never know what happens, right? You can only hope for the best, prepare for the worst, right? So, but I just thought of something. Did I ever complete all this? Let me see. MYM. Pedro, do you even trade MYM anymore? It's part of the game. Yeah. 100% true. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Ooh, let me get rid of these. And let me draw this down here. Boom. All right, cool. I wonder if kind of went to that. Yeah. No, seriously. All right, let's see here. After a big pullback, I earned a long and got a quick move. I was busy at work, so I left some profits on the table, but I'm happy to waste 2 wins. Heck yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Killing it, bro. Killing it. Ooh, make sure I'm doing this right. Ooh, actually. Oh, I'm looking at Bitcoin. The reason why I have this is just because there's so many other people that I talk to that trades Bitcoin as well. So I decided if anybody wants to talk crypto, then at least I have this instrument set up for it, which I'm actually going to put this guy here. Let's look. Okay, not really anything with that. Let me see what this looks like. Not really seeing anything with that either. It's a bit choppy. Let's see here. Alright. We got consolidation happening right there. And then I see this here. But I'm not... Oh, there's a few right there. Alright, that might be a stronger one, but I don't know. I'm seeing a lot here. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Okay. I'm going to leave that top one there. But for the bottom, I'm just going to leave this here for now. I never traded Bitcoin before. Does it move similar to gold or any other symbol? Kinda, yes and no, not really. It's kind of I haven't really I haven't really looked at it enough to kind of know how it acts for the most part. So, but some people do trade it and they have found success in it. Some people just absolutely hate it and never want to touch it for the rest of their lives. So it depends really. It kind of seems like it really, because I'm seeing like if I got this key level here, I'm seeing a 3 touch point trend line. So right here already, see 1, 2, 3 right there, and then key level consolidation. And then I'm also seeing it respect back here as well. So yeah, I would say there was some similarity to it, honestly. So it just depends, I guess, the motion of the ocean with whatever the market's doing. So we'll see. I don't know. But that's what I got going on here. Let's go back to gold and see what's happening. Pedro, do you ever get in on the all-time high when it breaks like that? Let me zoom come in a little bit. There we go. There we go. Hopefully you can still hear me okay. There you go. Let me see. Hold on. I'm going to check my sound real quick and see how I sound. Honestly, it's not that bad. Background music's not bad either. Yeah, I can see what y'all mean by it's like maybe a tad bit loud, but honestly, it's okay for me. You can hear my echo. Hold on. Let me see if I can do see if I can do like a quieter one or something. Changing up my music. Yeah, it's not bad. But there needs to be. Hey, I'm testing it real quick. Yeah, it's got a nice beat to it. I'll take it. It's funny though, because it's like I can see how it can maybe be distracting a little bit, but honestly, it's okay for me. It might be a little too loud, but I don't know how to turn it too down. But sometimes it's like it's so low, it's like you might as well not have any music at all. So it is what it is. I'm okay with it. Which I see there's other people actually here right now too. I got 3 viewers, which is cool. So hope you guys are doing good. If you want to leave a comment in the chat just to stop and say hello, by all means, please do. This is my first live stream ever. So I am just working out the kinks, kind of hanging out. So by all means, feel free to say something in the chat if you like. But yeah, so nice audio balance. Yeah, I mean, this song here is kind of like a little more punchy, I guess, but it's okay. I actually grew up, my mom, funny enough, she would play music all the time. There was never a time when either a TV's not going or music's not playing in the background or something like that. There was always like kind of noise. So I'm kind of okay with that, kind of cool with that. So that's why I like to have a little bit of audio if I can. So, but okay. Just taking a look. Ooh. Oh, hold on. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, let me just be consistent here. Boom. Well, that's a little tight. Live stream me playing drums. That actually would be kind of sick. I'm not gonna lie. I've thought about it before, and people just like, I'm taking requests or something, but it's like some of the songs I might not even know. So I'm kind of rusty. Pedro, haven't I sent you a video of me playing drums before? I think. Maybe. I don't like this trend line just because it's not based on actually any real good data. So sit in my hands here on this one. Actually, let me adjust this a little bit. Okay, I'll have to do that then if I haven't yet. Okay, so I'm seeing like kind of down, up here. So catching that consolidation real quick if I can. Let's see here. Actually, can I do a poll? I can. Start a poll. Have you... There we go. Okay. I just put a poll in the chat. First live stream ever. Have you said hello yet? So, maybe that'll get people to come into the chat a little bit. So, see how this goes. Yes, you did. But you didn't send me a video. So, maybe I'll send you the video of me playing drums when you send me the video of you playing guitar. Maybe. No. I'll send you video still. I don't care. Alright, but let's see here. Which I just thought of something too. I wonder. Let's take a look real quick. Oops. Let's see something real quick. I'm curious if there is any other live streams happening right now. I didn't even think about it. Right, well, there is, but nothing regarding trading. Interesting enough. That's okay. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything on it. Oh, nope. I thought. Never mind. I am. Yeah, so I actually added to this. Actually, ironically, the first trade I ever took on my live account was the MES. It wasn't gold. I just read the comment you said before that. Yeah, so I felt like I was kind of unfaithful to gold a little bit. But yeah, I trade both now. And so if one is kind of just not doing something, I decided to go with MES. I thought of MYM, honestly, just because I saw, honestly, Pedro, because of how good you were doing with it, I'm thinking, should I do MYM? Because you found a lot of success in it, so I was like, maybe it's not a bad idea. Actually, dang. Ah. Dude, it's just like kind of ripping. Yeah, let me do a comparison real quick. Do this, and then let me... So this is a cool way, cool feature. Yeah, this is a cool feature though to compare it though that I like to do. Excuse me. That's well, kind of the same. Like almost, you know. Yeah. Which I'm looking at doing some long-term investing with the S&P anyways. So I guess, you know, with that being the case, I may just stick with it. But it moves if I would just egregious. Yeah, that I have noticed that too. Like, and that's why I like gold. It's just because it will do that as well because like when it just takes off, it just really takes off. So, oh, how did I do that comparison? Let me show you. So I'm in, like for example, if I go into gold right here, you just open up your watch list over here. And let's say I wanted to do silver. You right click it like that, and you see where you see add silver to compare. Click that, and that'll show you like a comparison. And it does it in like percentages, so it's like it'll look a little different. the more you like zoom in or zoom out. But then if you just, it'll show up like in the top left over here. So if you don't like that, if you want to get rid of it, that's how you would. But I'll go to S&P, MYM, side, right click, add MYM, and that's how I do it. Yeah. Also, let me see if I can do this still. Shift. All right, there is a way to like flip actually the chart as well. I don't remember how to do it, but that was a cool thing I learned too. Hang on, let me see if I can find out how to do that real quick. There it is. So I just flipped the chart. I don't know if you saw that or not. I saw this and I was blown away by it when I did that. So there was somebody who had such a bias to go short. They like never wanted to go long. And then somebody was like, you know, if you hit Alt and then I, it flips it. So say like, for example, I'm thinking about going long here. If I do this, now I'd have to go short because I literally just flipped it upside down. See how it does my candles and everything too. So it literally just switched the entire chart. Actually, what does this look like? Yeah, see, it's like, looks like it's just going down all the time now. It's so ironic. It's so weird to see that too. I've been checking correlations between metals, so there's always one or two that move quicker than the rest. Wait, what? Oh, interesting. And then, I don't know. What did you? Sometimes it's a good way to predict movement on gold. Let me read that again. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I just whoa. I just realized this is the S&P. Let me go back to gold real quick, see what it's doing. We'll kind of see what'll happen. If it'll do anything. All right. Which I do know, heads up, when my wife gets home, I'm needing to go to the grocery store for the volume again. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. I'll be excited to see how that's going to happen. But I am going to the grocery store because we are expecting a really crazy snowstorm this weekend. And it's not like we're preparing for like the end of the world or anything. But if we can't drive or anything, we typically do our grocery shopping on the weekend. So I'll need to do it today before it gets bad, like tomorrow. So maybe when she gets here, I may have to get off. And that might be when I call it. But man, hopefully she doesn't get home for like another 30 minutes. That sounds bad, but it's like, you know, just so I can see what happens with the Asian market. So, but we shall see. Let me see something real quick. Whoa. That's cool. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Okay, cool. All right. What we're going to see, though. Do I ever take trades at this time? Actually, I don't. I typically trade in the morning. But since I'm working in the morning, I'm not able to like do a live stream or anything. Unless I'm doing it for like TLT or something. So I figured I'd just do it tonight just to try to get a live stream at least going, you know, do something. Because I've only done like one live, I've done one trade breakdown. and a few shorts on Instagram. So I figured, if anything, do a live stream. Why not? Just to do something on the channel. You know what I mean? Because I just, it's more like for fun, and also too a way to keep, I guess, really to keep up with my progress. Kind of a way to journal as well too. So we shall see. Maybe I'll start doing from like, I don't know. I could do like 6:30 to 8:30 if I don't get tired. I'm already yawning, so should have got coffee, but it's okay. All right. So we'll see. Do you ever take trades at this time? Typically, you're probably asleep. Yeah, I appreciate it. Now, I've already been streaming for an hour, so I might be cutting it short. Maybe. We'll just see. But you guys have been pushing and pushing and pushing for me to do something. I'm like, all right. Here I am. So. Give me 2 seconds. Come on. Give me 2 seconds. Did I take a trade? Did you take a trade on this live? No, haven't yet. Haven't had a setup yet, honestly, to take one. So I am just seeing what the market's gonna do, and honestly, I might not take any trades at all. I'm not gonna. I don't want to try to force it. This is more just a kind of like a trial and error type deal, since it's the first live stream. So I just wanted to make sure that this works, since this is the first live stream ever. So we'll just see how it goes. And sorry, I'm checking the volume on this, making sure it's still. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, we got a little bit of momentum moving, which is good. Oops, let me turn that down. There we go. So I can make sure the stream is still going. But I'm liking this movement right now. What's happening? I'm curious. I'm gonna look at the 5-minute just to see. It's like I almost feel like in the 5-minute. I feel like that might be. I mean, it is kind of gapping away from it. It is pivoting a little bit. Oh, that's a good question. Let me see. Any news tomorrow? Forex. Let's take a look. Where's Friday? 23rd. Actually, I am seeing a lot of red folders, to be honest. Good grief. Hold on, you can't see my screen, but holy crap. Hold on. Let me stop sharing real quick. Stop sharing. There we go. Get this out of my face a little bit. And let me reshare the full screen. Entire screen. Boom. Okay. There's that. You can see my entire screen now. Lottie freaking duh. And then let me get this here. There we go. But yeah, this is for tomorrow, and I'm seeing a bunch of red. Really, this is kind of, I feel like it's mostly happening more while I'm asleep, since I'm in Central Time Zone. Yeah. So, but in the morning, right after the market opens. So, man, it just really depends. Heck, I'm almost wondering if I should even take any trades tomorrow. Seeing that, yeah, I noticed that too. But still, you never know, really. Dang, seeing all this red folders, German. Let's see. Well, heck, I guess. Could you see a this here, but I'm also seeing the same thing here. I don't know. It may not do anything at all, honestly. So we'll see. Really depends. Actually, let me see something real quick. Oh, and I just realized it's pumping. Temptation, temptation, temptation. Yeah, honestly, to be real, I don't know what that is either. I just see that it's red. And so I don't try to get too much into the news. I just think like, okay, red folder, that's all I need to know. There's other people who talk about Jerome Powell speaking and stuff like that too. Yeah, Jerome Powell speaking. What was the other one? Hold on, there's another one. Where is it? I can't believe I did that. There's one I always look for. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Once I see it, I'll be like, yep, there it is. Unemployment claims. That's another one. Typically, when unemployment claims come out, they typically come out on Thursday. Let's see if I go back to Thursday. Let me do the 15-minute. Thursday. There it is right there. Here's Thursday, and that was, what time was that? That was 7:30 a.m. my time. Where is that? Yep, market open right here. So started hitting kind of sort of going up, and then market opens and then bam, just drops. So whenever I see news happening like that, typically around like the morning open or stuff like that, there's no telling what it's going to do. So I typically try to stay out of it. And that's typically how it is. Whenever I see like news, market open, so much can happen where it just starts like doing something different. So I just try to avoid it if I can. I was checking a website. Really? I'm just curious. Like, I know Jerome Powell and Trump are like the two guys, especially after what happened yesterday. With this, yeah, same. Sometimes I just hope that I could survive news, you know. And I mean, sometimes you can catch it, and if you catch it and it goes in your favor, that's great. If it doesn't go in your favor, it could take out a trade that you're in that's really good. So I don't know, it really just kind of depends on what it does. But like Trump spoke in the morning. I actually was doing a live stream for the community the day that Trump spoke in the morning, and then 1 o'clock hit, and that was hours after Trump had already spoken. For some reason, 1 o'clock hit, and what Trump said did all that, even though it happened like way back here. So yeah, I'm just glad I got out when I did on this one. Let's see here quick. All right, gold is still consolidating. Is there anything that's happening now? Thursday? No, all the news is done for the day. So I wonder if it's just going to consolidate. But heck, might keep pumping. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I'm almost tempted, but this is 15-minute time frame, so nope. Get rid of that, because then I'm just too tempted to take the trade, because that's how you accidentally force a trade. Now, if I was in the 5-minute, yeah. If I was in the 5-minute, however, maybe, because it is a pivot point, it is breaking through. But for me, I think risk is kind of high too. Oh, actually, maybe not. That's not bad. Let's see what it does. I might trade this in the 5-minute. Who knows? I'm gonna stop sharing. Yeah, then sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen, and then I'm gonna go back to directly trading view, so it's not the entire screen. Ooh, I almost end the stream by accident. Stop sharing. Share window. There we go. Pedro, can you still hear the music? Well, it actually just paused. Give it a second. Okay, it should be coming back. Tell me if you can still hear that music. Oh, heck. I got mine on right here. Yeah, I do. Okay. Instead of just asking, yeah. Oh, she pumping. She pumping good. But might be a fake out, heck. Because I'm seeing this guy back here. This, that. All this back here. What is that? Is that you waving goodbye to me? I can't tell if that's you waving goodbye or not, because I see the hand up. Oh, I got you. All right, let's see what everything else is doing. Oh, okay. Well, heck, I mean, that's the same thing, but... Heck. What in the world? What is copper doing right now? Silver, consolidating. Ooh. Okay, that's the new all-time high. I like it. Just adjust this here. Crude oil. Kind of just move it sideways still. Heck. We got about like 15 minutes left, so we'll see what happens. But Pedro, don't feel obligated to stay here, by all means, because I know it's late where you're at. You gotta work tomorrow? Oh, you're waiting for 1 a.m.? Oh, just to see what happens? Oh my gosh. Dude. Go to sleep. Good grief. That's crazy. Ooh. Somebody else is actually trading live right now too. I just found out. Let me see real quick. Oh, never mind. That's from the past. Huh. I guess nobody really is trading around this time. Cool for me. Are you serious? Wouldn't be the first time entering a trade at that time. Good grief. Well. Oh, okay, no, he is live. Oh, interesting. Okay, cool. So somebody else is also trading live right now as well, and they have... Let's see, how many... They have 70 people watching them right now. That's pretty cool. Last trade was 300 loss. Ooh, dang! 300 loss, but the previous was 1K? Holy crap. That's insane. That's crazy good, though, too. Congrats. That's insane. Dang, my dude. Wait, was that... I'm kind of curious to know, like... Hold on, I'm going to check TradeZilla, because I can do that. Let me see some real quick. Making it while I was sleeping. Dude, imagine if you could do that all the time. No matter what. Just constantly producing money. Just sleeping. Just by existing. That would be so insane. Let me see some real quick. Let me sign in TradeZilla real quick. I just had a lag. Pedro. What? Hold on. Alright, there's paper. Okay, you're doing really good, actually. Holy crap, yeah, you're doing really good. Yeah, it's like, I see the P&L, and then I'm like, look at the month, and I'm like, whoa, okay. Now this is good. Holy crap. I'm not gonna say anything, because this is, Okay, well, you said it, so now. But at the same time, too, look at the week that you had before as well. Like, dude, that's insane. Which, honestly, I mean, heck. Nah. I'll let your coach just deal with that. I ain't gonna say nothing. I ain't gonna say nothing. Ooh. See. What does this look like? That's a little too tight for me. I don't like that. Yeah, consolidation week screwed a lot of people up with that. It's just, that's why it's like, I can't stand consolidation. I try to avoid it at all costs. I just can't do it. That's why I like to use key levels for it, just to try to catch it, and just wherever I see like a range happening, I will just try to get out of that as much as I can too. Which, hey, it looks like it's about to do it. This is a 5 minute. I'm not using a 5 minute. I get faked out a lot in the 5 minute. I was gonna say I just heard a cough, but I just realized, am I still looking at that dude's? Oh, I am. That's funny. Hang on, let me do something real quick. Oh wait, what do you want to know? You want to know what I would say? Nah, I'll say something to your coach, and he'll say it to you. Nah, I'm just kidding. He's probably already said it. Heck, ooh. Love the fact that I had this key level here for this, because look, it's kind of rejecting it, kind of respecting it a little bit. That's why I love on the lower time frames to wait for the candle to close, like right there, like to the T, really. Holy crap. Just get ready for that market open is what it's doing. You know what? I thought too, if I ever get like a payout for my live account, I thought to myself, you know, it'd be really cool is if I could get one of those ultra wide monitors. And it's like, you won't know technically, like somebody could like be like, how much does he make, whatever, or is he profitable? It's like there will be signs, and the signs is me having like an ultra wide monitor or something. Like, but all right, 11 minutes. See if we can make it. One thing that I'm trying to do now is pushing the trail. Oh, really? Okay. Well, I mean, that's not a bad practice to have. I mean, heck, I feel the same way with gold, with this move today. Like, just imagine. Like, so if I did this is actually what I had. I had this. Yep, that's exactly where I had it, right there. And I'm thinking, let me do a replay here. I got in right. Oh, this is 5 minutes still. Let me do 15. There we go. Replay. Let's say I'll just do it right there, because that's like pretty much exactly where I got in. Let's just do one, and let's just play it out. Oops. I was about to say, did I take a trade? That scared me for a second. Let's play it through. There we go. Whoa, that's going really fast. Let me slow it down. But ultimately, yeah, let me go back a little bit. Let me hit buy there, and then let's just play it out. So ultimately, this takes off immediately, and I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Super good move. And I'm just looking at something real quick. Finally have like a wick happening here too. So since I did have that, and it started moving up away from that, I decided to do that. But it just kept moving up, right? And if I just left that, because honestly, it's like at this point, my risk would have been right here, which is... Actually, hold on, let me do it like this. Not too bad, right? Especially with what I'm used to risking. So I was thinking, that's not bad. I can work with that. And And so as it kept on kind of just going up, I'm just thinking, man, if I just held this, eventually I'd have been guaranteed in profit for sure, which I would have been okay with. But since it was so high and this is like a new account, I just thought, dang, what if I just like kept holding on to this and then eventually just kept going? And it's still going. Good move. Hang on 2 seconds. I'm getting a phone call real quick. All right, sorry about that. I got a call from my wife. She is on her way home. She says she'll be home in about 30 minutes. So that'll give me a moment to see what happens here. And let's see if we can maybe do something. Maybe. I don't want to force it, though. That's my thing. I do not want to force a trade. And dog is not going crazy. What are you doing, girl? Oh. You okay? Oh, sorry. You good? Hey, sweet girl. All right, but making some momentum. Again, though, what's the risk? Oh, risk is not bad on the 5 minute. Enough for a quick gold trade. Honestly, I don't know. I mean, heck, I don't really have the setup for it, to be honest. Like, of course, it's consolidated like that, but I don't want it. My first live stream, and then I break my own rules. I wait for the double confirmation. You know what I mean? That's my thing. I love the double confirmation. You know that. Come on, man. What you doing? Although, that is technically a bounce trade. 1, 2, 3. Pedro, you're being a bad influence, bro. Just kidding. I'm totally kidding. Oh, man. Maybe? Do I want to? Do I really, really want to? Watch, I get in on this and then it just completely just goes crazy. Oh. My dogs are going absolutely crazy. Give me 1 second. Get him real quick. Yeah, exactly. Focus on the method. Yeah, but like, again, bounce trade, this is actually for me like a clear bounce trade because it already has a 2 touch point and it is moving away from it. That's not bad. What's it doing in 15 minutes? Ah, man. I might take this. 1, 2. Very, very low risk. Actually, hold on. Let me just double check. I want to make sure. If it breaks through here. How is that? Man. That's crazy on the tick amount. Like how much. Actually, let me see something real quick. Yeah, it's right there at it. Excuse me. Let me try. Man, why? I don't know why that looks so. Yeah, I know. So tempting, right? Dang it. And it's been kind of climbing, so I'd be in profit, but we got 4 minutes to the Asian market open, so we'll see how this goes. If anything, I'm not over risking, and it could potentially be a good trade. I just never know. And this is the 5-minute too, so I'm like, 5 minutes you get faked out so much more. But then if I'm looking at the 15-minute, that still doesn't look bad because definitely the market is trending. 100% the market is trending. So can I catch it? Pedro, I might get in it. I might do it. Again, go look at my disclaimer. This is not financial advice or anything. Don't ever do as I do or anything like that because this is all for like entertainment and educational purposes. If anything, I can show you the process, but my no strategy is 100%. So you can't blame me. The disclaimer's in the description. So, but dang that, I am not gonna lie, it is tempting. Pedro, don't you dare take this trade either. Just because you see it and you're tempted, like, screw it. Just go for it. Yeah, I know you will. That's all like, nah. I have a disclaimer, bro. You can't blame me. Can't do that. Ah, man. It's doing it, though. I feel like... Alright, we're gonna see. Alright. It's pushing. Hold on 2 seconds. Alright. I might just pull back though. We have 3 touch point break, yeah? Maybe. We shall see. Let me get rid of this. Hold on, I wanna, let me look at both. Where is my thing where I can look at both at the same time? I forgot how to, it's been a while since I've done this layout setup. Ooh, here we go. There's gold. Let me do this. Whoa, why is it doing that? That looks weird. Will it not let me? Well, it will, but why is it? Let's do MTC. Why am I doing it like that, though? I do not like that. Alright, I'm just going to stick with one, and then market's about to open, and it looks like things are pushing right now, so I'll wait till the candle closes. I might take this. Honestly. Heck, I could probably take both the way it's going. Good grief. But I don't like taking 2 trades at the same time. So. I want in. I know, me too. But honestly, it's like. Yeah, it's going down. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, market's officially open for it. But I don't know. I'm so hesitant. What's happening here? Yeah. Let's see what's happening. So that's why I kind of want to wait. But I do like that it is moving. And honestly, if I get it right now, risk is even lower. So, and it's, again, it's, oh, that's the all-time high. It's breaking. Still tempting. Also, I have a disclaimer too. Don't blame me. No, I'm blaming you. See, that's... See, I'm just not used to trading the Asian time, right? But I like the way that's moving. Temptation, temptation, temptation. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm still considering getting in. Risk is really low. It's even lower now, but the thing is, it's like, because it's kind of moving so much down, it's like, do I? Not really wanna. S&P's just kind of been just moving. Do I have an alarm set here? Let me set an alarm for this. I think I might not even need to. It may just automatically just go ahead and touch it. See, S&P's not really doing anything though. Yeah. Well, gold's moving. Gold is definitely moving. You know, it's got this huge candle right here, but that doesn't mean anything. But heck, I'd probably already be stopped out, to be honest. So happy I didn't do that. MES though. What are you doing? Heck, I'm about to head out here in about 15 minutes anyways. That's $50. I mean, really. What's it been doing? What's the trend right now? Trend is up. It is trending up. But man, it's not really moving though, is it? Not doing much. See what gold's doing real quick. Maybe it's one of those where it is just dropping down. Move that there. Now it's a new all-time high. Breaking through that. If I can have this develop a little more and create more lower highs for me, that I would feel good about. What's it doing to the 15? See, 15. I'm forcing it. You know what I mean? So that's where I'm like, really. Let's see what MYM's doing. Yeah, it's not doing much either. NQ, NQ's moving. That would have been a decent move, but I'm thinking, what's it gonna do here? I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna put this right here, and let's see if it touches or not. Let's set an alarm for it. Create alarm. I just want to see what it does, but man, it sure is taking off. It's moving. I'm like, dang it. It is what it is, though. Honestly, I'm okay with not taking any trades, honestly. At least I keep my capital. Go 3 touch-point break. Is it? A 3? Oh, yeah. Yeah, on the 5-minute, yeah, but 15-minute. 1, 2. It's kind of like a 2 touch-point for me. But that is almost a double confirmation. But again, risk. I don't have like a safety line or anything, so there's not really a way for me to trade that. MES is moving. Yep. I have a feeling that was the move to go along with that. Okay, well here's the cool thing about it. It's like I get to actually see what it's gonna do. What would I be in right now? If I took that right there, what is that? Yeah, we had like 20 something, maybe $20, 21. Maybe. Now if it breaks here, a 15-minute. That's point A, point B. I do like that, and it's got some momentum behind it too. How much is my risk now on this? Where's my trade button? Stop loss. About 62. Still within my range, you know, so it's not too bad. Honestly. 250. Oh yeah. For this account, it's like 100. So just because it is a much smaller account. So because that's what I was saying. If I for the 15-minute, no, it is not, because this, I would not have this. So what I would need to happen for it to be a good trade in the 15-minute, I probably needed to do something like break through here and this right here in order to get into it. Risk is still not too high, so it's not bad at all. So not a bad setup here. It just depends on if it like comes back on here, because I'm seeing consolidation here, kind of respected here, and then it looks like it became support over here a little bit. Yeah, and I'm also seeing it all back here as well, which I love to see. Oh yeah, no, I'm loving that a lot. Actually, now thinking about it, I just noticed something. That's a really good one too, actually. Yeah. So both of those parts are pretty good. So it's like, in the way that it's looking right now, I mean, if I really wanted to scalp it, right? So, but yeah. Is there a way for me to see real quick if I wanted to trade this units? I'm just curious. I'm not gonna take this. Whoa! Holy crap! What's the margin on this? 625. Oh yeah, it shows me a risk value. So 8. Ugh, golly, almost 9%. I'd be risking that. Yeah, no. But what if? No, I'm just kidding. Don't ever do that. Let's see. See, even on 1. I love how it tells you that too. That's actually pretty cool how it shows you exactly what your risk is right here. Yeah, that was. Yeah, exactly. 5 micros. That's why it showed that the way it is. But one day, I'm not there yet, but I will be. Let's do a gold stealing real quick. Gold is still... kind of slowing down a little bit, but it had quite a little bit of a dip there. So... Alright, but I've been streaming now for 1:30. I might call it here soon, to be honest. Let me look at the 5-minute real quick. Just take a look. I see there's 3 people in that showed up. Feel free to say hey. Only doing a live stream here. Actually, let me see something real quick. This is actually kind of cool. Not gonna lie, this is actually really cool. Setup and everything, and how everything looks. Actually, let me change something real quick. Whoops. There we go. I like that color better. Yeah. Maybe I'll take stuff from this and create short form content too. You know, who knows? If you have like any little things I said in here or anything like that, that'd be good for me to like go cap cut it or something. You know, whatever it is that young folks use nowadays. I don't know. Just kidding. But yeah. All right, 5 minutes, still kind of doing his thing. Still looking at 15 minutes, still going up. Gold is kind of really just consolidating, honestly. Okay, see, I was just kind of moving, so I'd do something like that. And pretty much kind of just leave it there. Check to see when... Let me see something. Check it real quick. Alright, she is not far. Cap. Hey man, I appreciate you. If you're heading out, by all means, go get some sleep. You're getting up early anyway, so I appreciate you being here, seriously. First one down, many more to come. So we just gotta be consistent, right? That's the whole goal. Consistency builds profitability in trading. So need to do that also in life as well. I guess with these live streams as well, if I ever want to do something with that. Yeah, first of many. So, but yeah, let's see here. Still going. What is it doing? You too, man. And happy birthday, also. Even though, wait, it's midnight. Well, it's still your birthday where I'm at, so happy birthday. Hope you had a great day, too. So. Yeah, absolutely, buddy. You deserve it. 100%. All right. Oops. Alrighty. Well, not really thinking too much. Of course, I didn't expect to, but at least now we kind of have an idea of like what a live stream looks on here now. Let me check it real quick. Although it's kind of hard to check to see how it all sounds and everything whenever I have myself muted and everything. So I have to talk a little bit in order to hear myself for whenever I do hear it. Cool. Sounds good. It's not too bad. Yeah. Well, cool. Alright, man. I think I'm going to give it 2 minutes when this candle closes, and I think I'm going to shut it down. I'm getting a little tired myself, and I actually need to go get ready for this winter storm. So, if you were still here, but if not, then I'm going to sign off either way. So, good stuff, good stuff. Oh. Yeah, absolutely. You stay safe as well, especially over there. No, I'm just kidding. But, no, thank you also for joining me as well, too. It's been cool. It's been fun. I'm really just kind of just hanging out. I am, I'm not trying to be, like, big or famous or anything like that. This is just for fun, really. I used to do these things, hence why I have the setup that I do. So I used to do stuff like this for other people's channels and stuff and just talk and have fun or whatever. Here, I just, this is also just for fun, just to hang out and vibe, really. So, all right. Got about 15 seconds till this candle closes. Not really too much happening. Although, there is momentum. And I do like it. Let me see what gold's doing just real fast. Yeah, still doing this thing. All right. And there it is. There's a countdown. So, I'm going to head out. It's been good. It's been fun. It's been real. It's been real fun. So, appreciate you, man. Appreciate anybody who sees this. Appreciate anybody who can give any pointers or tips or anything. Hope you guys enjoy this. I will still keep playing music. I don't need any information about that because I don't like I like background music, okay? So I'm going to keep that. So I don't need tips on that. Unless there's a way I can like slightly turn it down, because the only way I'm doing that is through the actual screen share audio itself. But other than that, I'm going to keep playing music. So appreciate you guys, and appreciate you, Pedro. Again, happy birthday. Love you much, buddy. And Mark and Basil, you guys were here too. If you guys see this, appreciate you guys. Love you all, and take care. There we go.